All right, coming right up on 6:16, time for a closer look at this forecast, and it seems like we're just going to be able to catch our breath before the next one hits.
Yeah, we're going to have a little while, but I mean, like you said, winter is really back.
It's back.
It's coming. Exactly. So, I mean, I guess it never really technically left, but for the
felt like it at
yes,
some
so
point.
The temperature said otherwise, but it is still snowing outside for some of us, not all of us. If you're living on the western half of the state, you're pretty much done. There's a few flurries trying to make their way in, but for the most part, we're all out of that on the western half. The rest of us on the eastern half of the state, specifically more so at this point down east, we're still seeing snowfall. It's just picked up a little bit more, so we're going to see snow continuing for that point as we go through the rest of your morning. But this isn't going to be a day-long event. This is kind of the tail end of it here as we go through the next several hours. By about lunchtime, this will have completely moved out of the area, and we'll start to instead see the clouds clearing a little bit. So we will get some sunshine back in the forecast after all the snow moves through as we get into the second half of your day. And from there, we'll see temperatures drop and the winds pick up. Now let's focus on those temperatures first. It is going to be quite cold overnight here. Temperatures for a lot of people dipping below zero or right about around zero. So it is going to be quite a cold start to your Saturday. It will be sunny though to start off Saturday once the sun rises tomorrow morning. So it will be nice in that regard. And as we continue into the rest of your day here, as we move throughout Saturday, if my clicker would work, we're going to start to see some clouds moving back into the forecast. A couple flurries are possible tomorrow as well, but nothing I'd really concern yourself with. Nothing too problematic coming down the pipeline for the weekend. A couple more snow showers trying to make their way into the forecast on Sunday. Again, this is nothing to worry about too much. The track on this one could go a little bit farther south, but we're not looking at any majorly impactful snowfall. People could get like a dusting to an inch, maybe some people a little bit higher up getting 2 inches, but nothing compared to where we are yesterday, and even, like I said, down east, still getting snow this morning. The next snowfall we're going to kind of see really impacting your day is going to come down the pipeline, start late Monday night, in throughout your day on Tuesday, and wrap up by Wednesday morning. But as you just saw, this is really mainly going to hit everybody that's in southern Maine a bit more so of how this is moving through. That's where the heavier snow will be, kind of like the first part of yesterday, how it was heavier in southern Maine. We're going to kind of stick with that scenario as we get through your day on Tuesday as well. Before we get there, though, low temperatures tonight, like I said, are in the single digits or in the negatives for some people. Even with this, the winds are going to pick up a bit more. We're going to have temperatures that aren't instead feeling like they're around 2 degrees or -5. The winds are going to pick up quite a bit more and make those feels like temperatures down into the negative teens. If you're north in the mountains, you could see it getting down to about -20 or 30 if you're north of the mountains. So it is going to be quite cold as you get into your morning tomorrow. So if you have to clean out your car, today's probably the day to do it after your snow ends, just so it doesn't all freeze up on there and cause a whole big problem for you. Wind gusts today, though, that's where they start this afternoon, getting up to around 35 miles an hour. Those will calm down as we go through your day tomorrow, or today into tomorrow morning, but still enough to lower those feels like temperatures just a bit more. Seas are at 4 to 7 feet for your day today, and there is a gale warning in effect until 11 o'clock tonight. But other than that, we're going to have what we talk about for the next couple of days, a dusting on Sunday with snow moving through on Tuesday. And as we look a little bit further into the week, there is another possible snow coming down to the forecast for your day on Thursday. If you're along the coast, possibly having some rain mixing in, but as we all know, that's pretty far out. So we'll keep updating this as we get more info and keep everybody posted as what we can expect next week. But probably going to be another fun one on Tuesday. So.
Here we go.
Great. Just in time for the kids to get back to school, that they could have a day off from school.
That's the best when that happens, when you're a kid.
Oh, yeah, exactly. Parents, not so much. But anyway.